Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to create an opt-in form in ConvertKit that contains a dropdown with answers to a question that you can ask your subscribers right at the point of opting into your list, allowing you to better target them later on when you're emailing them because they self-identify, right? So you can ask them, for example, if they're very new to online business or more experienced, whether they identify more as a copywriter, a graphic designer, or a tech VA or something else. Whatever the question is, you need to make sure that it only has one answer that best applies to them so that you can then later on target them better in your email marketing. My name is Velmoed. I'm a tech virtual assistant and automations expert, and I'm one of the only 11 ConvertKit certified experts in the world, and I'm also part of the ConvertKit migration team, meaning I help people transfer from other tools onto ConvertKit. So if you have any more questions around ConvertKit and how to use it best, feel free to reach out. I love creating these little tutorial videos. So here is how we set it up, the form with a dropdown. So we go to grow and then landing pages and forms, and then on the right hand side you click create new. For this video I'm choosing form and then inline, and I'm choosing the Monterey, but you can choose any of the options here. Choose. And now you see that it's only actually asking for someone's email address. So let's first add a first name field so that we can address people by their first name. We click on the plus here, and on the right hand side, we choose Save As Custom Field, and we select first name. And we can make it required if we want to. Now we add the plus again, and now we're going to create the dropdown where they can choose answers from a list. Now we save it as a tag, and we're choosing a dropdown. The other option is checkboxes. And just to clarify the difference, when you choose dropdown, people can only select one option. And if you choose checkboxes, they can apply multiple. So depending on the kind of question that you want to ask, you should choose dropdown or checkboxes. For this video, we're focusing on dropdown. The label is what's going to be asked right here. So let's choose as an example, how experienced are you in affiliate marketing? So let's say this is on an affiliate marketing blog post or something, and I just want to have a little bit more information around that to see if I can sell them my affiliate marketing course, for example. So now we choose the tag option. So basically what's happening is that if they select one of these options, it's giving them a tag in ConvertKit that you can then use to segment your list and email them the best fitting information. So here we're choosing affiliate marketing new, affiliate marketing intermediate, and then also affiliate marketing experienced. Okay, so you see these, and these are now here, but these don't read like nice answers for the subscriber, right? So we want to change the label as it is called. So here, this is where we change what is displaying right here, but it still matches to the tags that we have right here. So this is what you'll see in your back end, and this here is what they'll see on the front end on your form. So let's say I'm completely new. I have some experience, but could learn more. Experience. I'm an expert. Okay, and then we can make it required or not, whatever we choose. So let's make it required. So we have all of these people self-identifying their level of experience in affiliate marketing. So now we just need to save it, publish the form, for example, on your website. So now let's just use this and open that in a new tab. And now what we see here is the form. And now we have this drop down here, and they can choose any of these options. And depending on what they choose, that tag will be applied to them in the ConvertKit backend and will allow you to then email them according to what they said in the form. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any other questions around ConvertKit, like I said, I'd be happy to help you further. Bye.